This is Engage New York, Module 1, Lesson 10, Problem Set Debrief. And our answer for A, B, C, D, 3, 0.3, 3 ones, 9 thousandths becomes 3 and 9 thousandths. 7 hundredths, 4 hundredths becomes 700 and 4 hundredths. 21 thousandths becomes 0 and 21 thousandths. Right here, problem A, B, C, D, E, F. Simply line up your decimals and subtract using our carrying or borrowing strategy or regrouping strategy. Don't forget to add a 0 if there is not already a 0 in the problem, because you need to balance out the problem. Then if there are more numbers on your smaller number, you have to add a 0 in order to be able to subtract. You cannot subtract without that 0 there. The same goes for problem F. On the back side, we have 10 tens equals 100. So I added the 0 because I'm subtracting 110 and 110. Yes, I have to add the 0 in order to subtract. 3 subtract 22 tenths. And yes, I have to add the 0. I have to add these zeros up top in order to be able to subtract. 37 tenths is 3.7, 1 and 2 tenths. Then 8 and 9 hundredths, subtract 3 and 4 tenths. I added the zeros to balance. I added this 0 to balance out the problem. Then 5 and 622 thousandths, and I didn't have to add zeros to the end. Well, 3 hundredths, I actually did add a 0 here in order to balance out the problem. Then here, 2 ones, 2 and 4 tenths. I added a 0 here in order to balance out the problem. And I have 0 and 59 hundredths. I have to have this 0 in order to subtract. Then down below, the correct problem is 5 tenths, and I'm taking away from 5 tenths is 3 hundredths. That is the correct problem. Michael is incorrect because he thinks the problem is this, which is incorrect. This is the correct problem. This is what he thinks. His thinking is mistaken. Then down here, the pen, the marker, and what is left. That means what is he going to get back in change? He has a total of $5 to spend. So if we have $2.09 and it costs 45 cents less than the marker, then we know this is how much it costs. The marker costs $2.54, and that comes to $4.63. If he uses a $5 bill to pay, he's going to get 37 cents in return. And then here is our exit ticket to check your work. Make sure you're doing all right. Your homework looks exactly the same. Page 161 and 162. All right. I'm sure you will do fabulous.